Ministerio Radial Impacto, junto a Malaquías Reyes, presentan Impacto Cristiano. Nuestro propósito es hacerle partícipe del mensaje que Jesucristo es el mismo ayer, hoy y por todos los siglos, y que solamente a través de él su vida puede ser transformada e impactada por su gran amor y poder salvador. Desde este momento, con ustedes, Malaquías Reyes en Impacto Cristiano.
Happy Mother's Day to all those fathers. Did I say fathers? To all those mothers out there. Feliz Día de las Madres a todas esas madres que están viendo nuestra programación en el día de hoy. So today is a very special day. It's a beautiful day. The weather is beautiful outside, but the weather is also beautiful in here. And the day that we're celebrating is a very, very special day. Do you know that there is no other kind of love that can surpass or equal the love of a mother, other than God in this planet Earth? And to all those children, my advice today is to love your mother like, like you don't love anything else, because there is nothing compared to the love of a mother. So to all those mothers that are watching me today and are listening to me, happy Mother's Day to you. A todas esas madres que están escuchando y que están viendo este programa, yo les deseo un feliz Día de las Madres. Sabe que no hay un amor, y a los hijos les estoy hablando, no hay un amor que pueda sobrepasar el amor de una madre. En esta tierra no lo hay. Solamente el amor de Dios. Es decir, que ame a su madre, honre a su madre, y especialmente en este día, pues a todas las madres que nos están escuchando, que nos están viendo, les deseo un feliz Día de las Madres. Well, initially, as you, in the opening, you guys saw that I have two special guests today, and in the opening, that was my sister, one of my sisters, singing a very touchy son. And he said about, he touched me, he touched me. And then we are going to talk about touching today. I have Dr. Faith Kim. She's a chiropractor. And we are going to talk about the physical aspect of your spinal need for healing and how you can, as a mechanic, she'll know how to explain all those mechanisms. So very shortly, I'm going to introduce her to us, and we're going to learn about all those pain that you've been having, headache and shoulder pain, back pain. Well, she's going to tell you how to release o get relief of those pain. En este día yo tengo conmigo, ustedes vieron a la entrada de nuestra programación, mi hermana estaba cantando y estaba cantando cerca de él, me ha tocado, mi hermana Damari. Y de eso vamos a hablar en el día de hoy, de toque, pero toque de sanidad. Conmigo está la doctora Faith Kim. También está su asistente, Rebeca Pérez, que está aquí con nosotros en el día de hoy. Y ellas nos van a hablar acerca de cómo podemos deshacernos de los dolores de espalda, dolores de músculos, dolores de cabeza, bueno, todo tipo de dolor. Y como decía la canción, él me ha tocado, bueno, vamos a hablar de ese toque de sanidad en este día. Having said that, let me turn to our first guest, which is Kim, Faith Kim. Welcome to Impacto Cristiano en la Comunidad.
Muchas gracias, buenos días.
And we also have Rebecca. Rebecca.
Hi, good morning. Happy Mother's Day.
And happy Mother's Day to all of you. Kim, tell me a little bit about yourself first. We are going to talk about what you do, but who's Kim?
Okay, I am a chiropractor. I was born in Korea. I was raised in Chile, and now I am here in America, especially in Delaware area, trying to serve people around the Delaware region.
So in Chile, that's where you learn your Spanish?
Right. Entonces, nací en Corea, crecí en Chile y ahora estoy en Delaware. Sí, para hacer servicio a los hermanos latinos en este lugar.
Qué bien, qué bien. ¿Qué tiempo hace? How long you been in United States?
I think definitely over 10 years.
10 years.
Yes,
Okay.
over 10 years. I'm thinking more than 14, 15 years.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not exactly. I have to calculate that.
Okay, and with her, we also have Rebecca. Rebecca, she's a native of Delaware. She's been here for a while. So I want to introduce Rebecca. Welcome to Impacto Cristiano.
Thank you for the invitation.
Do you know algo acerca? Tell us something about Rebecca. Who's Rebecca? What is Rebecca do?
As you know, I'm Mexican. I was born in Mexico, but I came to the States when I was 14 years old, and I had the great blessing to meet your sister, Luz Divina, who was a great teacher for me, and she taught me a lot of things since young age. And I'm so blessed to have been around great people since a young age. Soy Rebeca, nací en México, pero emigré a los Estados Unidos a los 14 o 13 años, no me recuerdo bien. Cuando llegué a este país tuve la oportunidad de conocer a la señora Luz Divina, a la cual fue mi mentora, mi maestra, y me enseñó muchas cosas. He estado rodeada de grande gente desde que llegué a este país, muy bendecida.
Qué bien. ¿Tú aquí en Wilmington perteneces a qué iglesia?
Yo pertenezco a la Iglesia de Dios el Peregrino con el pastor Manuel López, en donde nos estaremos congregando hoy a la 1 de la tarde para festejar a las mamás.
Qué bien, y esa parte se me olvidó preguntarte, ¿a qué iglesia perteneces?
Yo pertenezco en la iglesia Emmanuel, está en downtown Philadelphia. Sí.
Okay, I just asked them, which church they belong, because as you all know, this is a faith program, and the most important thing for us is the teaching about the Lord Jesus Christ. We don't go a program without mentioning that this is what keeping us here. So yes, we talk about other topics, like we are going to be talking about the chiropractic, that they are both of them involved. But the main reason that we're here is to tell you that there's no other way to heaven or to God but through the Lord Jesus Christ. And that's the message of Impacto Cristiano. Impacto Cristiano, by the way, means Christian impact. And we wanted to impact you in every area as possible. Yes, in the religious aspect of it, in the social aspect of it. Now we're talking about the health, aspect of it. So whatever, because this is what the Lord Jesus Christ did when he came. He touched in every area. He covered all the bases. So that is the simple message of the love of God, and especially in a day of today that we're talking about love. Today is the day that we talk about love. So we're talking about love of God. Now let's. I see that you have a spine there, and it's like, tell us what is that?
I'll put it close to him. This is our best friend. So when we're in the clinic, since we cannot show the patients their spine, we get guide through this. So Dr. Kim, do a little explaining.
This is our little friends, Mr. Spine. This is what we have in. Everybody should have one. Everybody should have one, and everybody should have a good curvature in the back of the neck, in the back of the thoracic area, and the back of the lower back area. Okay. Without the right curvature, people can experience pain. So this is something that every human being has. They have a pelvic area and they have a skull. So many people doesn't know or don't realize that we have one of those in our back. But
that was a question that I asked when you came in with it. And one question, and I would like you to address that question, was why is curved and it's not straight? Because I guess the impression that we have is that the spine is supposed to be straight. So how come this is a normal or abnormal?
This is a normal curvature. A person should have, we call it lordosis. The back C looks like a back of the C curvature in the neck and the lower back area, and we should have a C curve in the thoracic area, which is kyphosis. What it happens is when we first born, we only just have a C curve in the back. When the baby born, they're in the C curve. But as we adopt the upright posture, that's the main thing. As we try to stand up and try to walk on our 2 feet, we have to develop this lower back C curvature to make the balance with the thoracic area, and another C curvature in the neck area to maintain the balance. Everything is about the balance in our body.
What is the main cause of those back pain? When you have those crucial back pain, what is the main reason for it?
The main reason we can talk about from the point of the chiropractic is that every single joint in our body are meant to move appropriately in a certain degree. However, through things that we go their life, people, little kids, they fall down, or we, bump into something, we get into an accident. Whatever it happens, our part of our body can lock and not move the joint. Go into a phase where it cannot move in the right angle, to the right angle, and the limitation of the movement can make the other joint above or the below. We are talking about the spine. If one segment is not moving right, then the segment above or the below has to do extra work, has to move extra. Then that can create the problem in that area. And then if you let it sit there for too long, then the other part of the body will try to balance our body and overwork for the joint that is not moving appropriately at the beginning and create more pain in the other areas too.
Yo le acabo de preguntar a la doctora Faith si bueno, aquí se está enseñando el esqueleto de la espina dorsal. Y si eso es normal o abnormal en la formación, porque normalmente nuestra creencia es que está supuesto a ser recto. ¿Y cuál fue su contestación?
Fue que tenemos que tener la curvatura apropiada porque es necesario para que la gente pueda caminar en 2 pies. Cuando nacemos con una curvatura de como una C, una letra C, pero cuando tratamos de levantar nuestro cuerpo y caminar, tenemos que tener una curvatura reverso de C en la espalda abajo para que podamos mantener nuestro cuerpo arriba. No caminamos en 4 pies o 4 patas, como decimos, pero tenemos que tener los curvatura en la espalda baja para poder caminar y hacer consecuencia para poder levantar nuestro cuello. Tenemos que tener curvatura de C en la espalda, claro, en la espalda arriba, y después para mantener nuestra postura en un ángulo recto tenemos que tener otra curvatura al reverso de C en el cuello area.
¿Y cuál es el mayor causa de problemas de dolores en la espalda? O, ¿qué es lo que causa el mayor problema de dolores?
El mayor problema del problema que causa en la espalda es que cuando tenemos los niños corren y se caen, pasa cosas cuando vivimos nuestra vida, y cuando pasa eso, un segmento puede limitar su moción. Nuestro cuerpo, todas las articulaciones tienen que mover en un ángulo apropiado para eso, a esa articulación, pero cuando pasa algo, cuando pasa accidente, cuando nos golpeamos con algo, un segmento se limita de su movimiento, y cuando ese segmento se limita de su movimiento, el segmento de arriba o de abajo tiene que trabajar más, tiene que mover más por el segmento que está limitado del movimiento, y hace consecuencia eso. Sobre trabajo siempre causa dolor, eso es lo que pasa.
Qué bien, qué bien. Rebeca, dinos, ¿dónde ustedes están localizados y qué tipo de programa ustedes tienen para, I'm asking Rebecca to tell us, where are they, located, and what type of program they have if you are interested in, and by the way, let me say this, that the reason they're here is because I went over there and I wanted to experience for myself, how, and she has a healing touch. So I'm advising you, she has a healing touch, because sometimes it's not easy for somebody to touch your body and all uncomfortable, but she'll make you feel at ease, So Rebecca, give us a little bit about, the program and the location.
We're located on 2055 Limestone Road, Suite 213. That will be on the 2nd floor. And we're in the middle of everything, in the middle of Wilmington, Newark, so you can get to us easily. Usually the doctor works with the patients depending on their on the affected area. Some people may take a week, some people may take 2 weeks, or it depends up to a month. So our phone number is 302-502-3201, or also you can reach us at 302-494-9210. Estamos localizados en el 2055 de Limestone Road. Estamos en el medio de Wilmington, de Newark, y estamos ahí a la mano de la comunidad. Usualmente la doctora, dependiendo la condición del paciente, va a ser el tratamiento o la prolongación del tratamiento. Unas personas se pueden llevar una semana, otras personas se pueden llevar 2 o 3 o un mes o más. Nuestro número de teléfono es el 302-502-3201 y el 302-494-9210.
Qué interesante. It's very interesting that tú hablas coreano, ¿verdad?
Sí, hablo
Sí,
coreano.
quisiera que le mandara un saludo o al Día de las Madres en coreano, porque hay muchos que están mirando nuestro programa hoy.
En Corea,
En coreano.
En Corea hoy día es Día de los Padres. Nos celebramos, celebramos el Día de la Mamá y de los padres juntos, y nos decimos Día de los Padres con ese tiempo.
Oh, ok, incluyéndolo a los dos.
Incluyendo los dos.
Qué bien,
Entonces,
qué bien. Pues le mando un saludo ahí en coreano.
부모님 은혜 감사드립니다. 저희들을 낳아주시고 길러주시고 지금까지 지켜주시고 돌봐주시고 항상 뒤에서 웃어주시고 하신 모든 부모님들께 감사드립니다.
This is awesome. This is awesome. She just sent some greeting in Korean, You know, so and what she was saying in Spanish to us is that in Korea today is the day of the mother and fathers. They jointly, so they say it's the day of the fathers. Yeah, so we over here we separate it, but they don't separate it in Korea.
No, we just celebrate once.
We celebrate once. It's more economical like that too.
Right. But then,
Dino, Rebecca, ¿qué planes de finanzas existen o qué tipo de seguro ustedes cómo uno puede pagar para esto o es gratis todo?
No,
No es gratis,
obviamente
sí.
no es gratis. Pero nosotros trabajamos con el plan de Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna y otras Cigna.
Ajá.
Y dependiendo cuál sea su caso, podemos aceptar Medicaid, dependiendo del caso. No en todos los casos Medicaid paga por servicios quiroprácticos, pero nosotros siempre encontramos la manera de ayudar a nuestros pacientes. Tenemos condiciones de la espalda. Si es el cuello y la espalda, nosotros cobramos $55. Si son más de 3 partes del cuerpo, supuestamente le duele el cuello, aquí y aquí, serían $75. Pero nosotros somos una clínica donde
Tratan de ayudar
tratamos de ayudar a los pacientes, porque nosotros en sí no queremos que nadie viva con dolor.
Sí.
Y tratamos de ayudarles lo más que podamos, pero si no es gratis, o sea,
Claro.
tenemos que mirar las aseguranzas. Y dependiendo su copago, eso será el pago que debe
¿Quiere
hacer.
dar esa información también a nuestros amigos americanos?
Yeah, we use Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance. We also accept Cigna, Aetna, and depending on what is your condition, we may accept Medicare. But it depends on what your insurance will cover. If your insurance doesn't cover enough, you will end up paying the bill, and that's what we don't want. So
Right.
for us not to get to that point, we help the patients if they want to make cash payments, which includes 2 parts of the body. It will be the neck and the spine, or the back, for $55. If it's more than 3 parts of the body, arms, legs, or whatever else is hurting, it will be $75.
Okay.
So
That's
we
per
are.
visit?
What was that?
Per visit?
Per
visita.
visit, yes, that
Okay.
would be per visit. And like I said, some patients may take 1 visit,
Right.
other patients may take 3 or 4, but it's for your own good. If you want to feel better and not feel pain in your life, get treated.
Bueno, eso es muy interesante. Y este es en el aspecto físico. This is the physical aspect that we're talking about, releasing your pain. I want to ask in the few minutes that we have left about releasing the 3 minutes that we have left, releasing the spiritual pain. Faith, I know that you're from, the last time on the radio I said North Korea, but she's not from North Korea. She's from South Korea.
Right.
Tell us a little bit, how did you meet, or you came to meet the Lord Jesus Christ in your life?
I was born in a Christian family, and I was raised in a Christianity in general for my life. My parents were missionary in Chile. That's why I went to
Okay,
Chile,
all right.
And I was raised in there. One night when every congregation got together praying, I was praying, or I was intending to pray. But when I was 13 years old, I accepted God as my Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
beautiful,
Yes,
beautiful.
and that related to my career that I'm doing. He created our body, and He knows our body, and that's how I want to work on our body, how to provide.
And I see, because when I visit you and by the way, you and Rebecca, you guys make a winning team. Yes, because you can see the passion, and it's like you are. And I think I asked you that, what make you could have choose any other field, but why did you choose this field?
Yes, because God created us, and He provides sanity, He provides health, and our body has innate nature to heal our body if everything is every chemical is provided appropriately. So
That's great. Rebecca, can you tell us in 1 minute or less, because other than the therapy that I feel like you guys were selling some healthy? Or,
Yeah, we do. We sell some detox vitamins products. And it does work. I try it, and it does work. It's not a diet plan. It's a detox program that it helps you with cleaning your body from the inside. If you want to feel good in the outside, you have to start from the inside. So if you're interested, give us a call, and we'll give you the information on how to do the health cleansing.
We've been showing the numbers in the screen. And I want you to repeat the address. That was very important.
Our address is 2055 Limestone Road, Suite 213, Wilmington, Delaware, 19808. We are on the second floor, and it's a big medical building right on the corner on Limestone Road. You will see the TD Bank on the side. In front of us is Wawa. So there's no way for you to get lost. We're there.
You can't get lost. Yes. Before we leave, I would like to give another shout out to my mother. As you can see, pretty short on the screen. To me, well, if it wasn't because of her, I wouldn't be here today. And I have a lot to talk about that lady that you're watching right now on the screen, because she's not only brought me to life, but you know what? I was separate from the Lord for a long time. But when she died, she gave me that spiritual life again, because that's the day, 2006, that I decided to turn my life and come back to the Lord. And since then, because one day I know for sure where she at, and you know what, I wanted to be there. And that's what our program is all about. You know, we wanted to let you know that without God, without Jesus Christ, your life is meaningless. Okay, only when a man and a woman decide to make right with the Lord, you know, things will start changing in your life. And today, you know, we have presented, yes, some physical remedy for your life, but we're also sharing with you the spiritual remedy for your life. So thank you, Faith, for being here today.
Thank you very much for your invitation.
Thank you for the invitation.
Rebecca, thank you
very much.
And we'll be until next month, another program. But like I said, take your mom out today to Texas Road out or whatever. God bless you, and go out and do good to somebody.
Impacto, junto a Malaquías Reyes, presentaron Impacto Cristiano. Agradecemos por su sintonía y les invitamos para que el próximo sábado nos acompañen en una edición más. Si tiene comentarios, sugerencias, peticiones o testimonios, escríbanos al P.O. Box 30024, Wilmington, Delaware 19805, o al correo electrónico mreyes63004@aol.com. Y no olvide nuestra línea telefónica 302-377-0403, 302-377-0403. Hasta una próxima edición.